Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and today I want to show you the power of the traffic hijack system. This is one of the channels that I've plugged into the traffic hijack system, and I want to show you how this actually works. Now I'm going to have to blur out some stuff only because I can't give away the goodies until I actually watch the workshop, but this is how it works. So this person talks about Facebook ads. They've just uploaded this video 3 hours ago. Now, just jumping over to my blog, you can see if I refresh the page, I don't have any blogs about that specific thing. Okay, so I'm gonna head over to the actual system, and things have been blurred out. And what you'll see here is the system has detected that video from this YouTube channel, right? So now I'm going to just manually trigger it, and we're going to come back in about 3 to 5 minutes with the final result. And what should happen is it will create the blog and then post it automatically on this website. I've now manually done each step, and remember, once this has been published live, it's going to do it automatically for you, so you don't need to do or touch anything. But now we're just going to upload the AI image that's been created for us to our WordPress site, and now we're going to upload the post for us right here. So this post is going to be uploaded to WordPress, and now we have the URL. So we're going to go ahead and check this out, and here it is. So we have the title, we have the image, and now we've got this 1,000+ word blog with the embedded video. And remember, this is completely unique. In fact, I'm going to pull it into a plagiarism test to see the flow of it and if it makes sense, and just to see what quality text. So let's go ahead. We're going to copy all of this. And by the way, if you like this design, I'm actually going to be giving you the design as well, so you can literally import this into your website. We've also got contents link, so this is really good for SEO and getting extra rankings, but you can see it hyperlinks to each specific section, so all really cool. Let's go into Grammarly, and I think I'm on the premium plan, so this actually gives me all of the features, but instantly the correctness and all of these are really high, and the overall performance score is 94 out of 100, which is awesome. Okay, this score represents the quality of writing in the document. The characters is 10,000, the reading time is 6 minutes, and the words is 1,553. Let's have a look at the plagiarism to see what score is in fact if it's been copied or if we're going to get penalized. So a total of 8% is plagiarized, but when we actually look at these sources, we can see it's 1% from all of these different sources, meaning we are not going to get in trouble at all because it's such low percentages that really it's probably a sentence or a word that it's picking up on. Okay, so this is outstanding results, and once again we are going live. So if you want to learn this system, and if you've got any questions you want to ask inside the workshop, you can do it. Now is your chance. Go grab it. I won't be teaching this system again. Can't wait to see you inside the workshop.